I don't know if all who know where Anna on the job yesterday had a dispute with a family member. We have known that she had said that her cousin, because you know Anna, you know, so me and Anna we don't black with one another. We don't black with one another. She don't black with so. But when she said the cousin passed off, I remember I saw the grave digging also. Let me tell you who called Anna to give information about you. People that live in your area, family of recipient, and family of your ex or your estranged husband. Let me tell you of your estranged husband, because they got vexed from the day when you say them to come suck out your. I'm telling you, they are very pissed off. They are very pissed off. Donors too, because I have a few receipts, a few conversation, but we're not gonna go into that. But me go remember you where you had done. Me know me clap you. Of course, me know me clap you. I know. Who remember when somebody went on Tina Chin's platform and mention about the man or the husband, the common law husband then of Lady V, mentions the man name, the man picture was sent to Tina, even the man kids and so, and it was, you know. And then Alicia Rumble, which is Anna's sister that lives in Antigua, went on Ashanti's platform and made a threat to Ashanti. Okay. Now, at that time, it was a lady, an Antiguan lady, and I didn't even say it to Ashanti, because you see, if you hear everything, and this is when I'm going to come to Anna, you need to get your story straight, because you're going to get yourself in serious trouble. You need to get your story. You try and find out if it have to take your time, and you're gonna get yourself in serious trouble, because that lady have never reached out on social media. Babu Wagwan, see right, I need you. Now, when the time with Lady V and that whole incident, people believe you me, I never, when Anna came out, you see, if Anna did come out and say me cuss her, I'm guilty of that. I never called Lady V. Anna did a live and said, I'm going to talk now. When Anna said Lady V and her careless man was driving around and looking for Alicia, people, that was not true. Lady V man wasn't even on the island. The man leave. The man traveled. And you know, when you did change your climate, the man traveled for a week, and the man had to spend 3 weeks because the man get a flu. The man wasn't even on the island. Alicia cried. That thing reached to the police. Alicia cried. Even the police tell Alicia, I was on the phone listening. And then Anna came out. Anna, you need to stop. You accuse that lady wrongfully, and the story what you come with, I can tell you, even though I wasn't there, it's not so it go. The story where you come with, even though me not did it, is not so it go. There is no way that lady could have got say she go call over panty. She not say so. If she even said so, she go say she go call for clear her name. I believe the lady's story. Cause Anna, you say me go call Lady V. Me never call Lady V. I don't do those things. I never call Lady V. I see you looking at phone like how Tina looking at phone. I said the one with the carousel with the sore foot. And I lie you tell me, and the story where you talk say Lady V and her man a drive up and down. And I look for your sister in Antigua. Your exact word was Lady V. The man wasn't even in Antigua. That's why Lady V get up and go by the police. The man wasn't even in Antigua. Your own sister, so she never tell you so. You need to stop it. And then when me go touch now, on the job, now me have to start for wonder, even one of my business, if you and Miss Abel in a something. Because on the job, for you to do that, I believe you hit the woman pick me. I believe you do it. I believe the lady side of story. And you're doing and you feel like say you're tough, and I see you say something again, and you go look and you go walk and you go look for Susie. Anna, be careful how you walk at people yard. Kind of feel like say you're the best where you can run up in and get. Anna, trust me, don't feel too sure of people. Do not feel too sure of people, Anna. She look like she drive with the cutlass. She look like she drive. You know the woman say when him hear which part Susie live, she got Susie need to hear this and take it to the pub. But as far as I see, look like Mr. Bell and the police them protect Anna. It look like the only police are the one with him and Tony are the friend with him help Tony for Ghana Turks and Caicos. But anyway, I'm not come about that. Me come about to make the people them know say Anna accused the lady wrongfully, like how Anna had make up a false allegation and Lady V about her sister, and she accused me wrongfully because I did not. Anna look like she sit down now when she feels Anna that lady have never called in. We get called from recipient, we get recipient family, we get called from donor who give you, because Anna have all people from where the girl named baby mother, the girl where she gonna foreign no time where the people them send you the money for buy the bed, and you are tell the people them say Anna me have all of them in my phone. But we not there for that. Me have it where you tell all the people them say the girl have man and something, and you never return the people them money and the girl not get the something. Them have it. She not call her, no she. It's not she. We get called from the people and it's not that girl. It's not that. You might hear Wendy and you might feel like say, but we are the Wendy. No. And not even that Wendy they don't call. Because she afraid, you know, in no argument she gonna live her life. You cannot accuse people wrongfully, and let me tell you the truth. You feel glad say maybe that lady there because me tell you something say. Me tell you something say. Remember, a child of both parents. A child of both parents. Yeah, a child of both parents. Because if I did feel me pick me, if you did see me normally, me not believe the woman going on a church with no knife by you. That story doesn't sound right. The woman's story sound more credible. And me not believe say the woman attack you. And me can tell her say if I did feel me pick me your box today, one way I end up. I look for a court date by about Wednesday, Thursday. If you go present in front of the judge, I wanna wait bells that get another bells that get a funeral brata. I wanna too sure. Cause why you a walk a look for Susie? And one thing, as much as you say, you may not tell a lie. I remember at first that another charity, but that are the two charity, you know, you say charity rival. And a little incident go down. You never say you live down in Manchester, even though clean, but you never say that when last, and then you're just proud of it. The charity personal, the Christian. the charity personnel, the Christian, you take off the uniform. The uniform, you know, where you're supposed to drive the people, them, your cousin, the late one. You drive. Why me? That could not happen for my son funeral, man. Jones, you have to pay me back my money, man. My son, I get a free funeral. If me, I put my loved one to rest, and that happen, them have to give me back me a full refund of my money and pay me for pain and suffering. I heard that even your mother fell out of the wheelchair with the bangarang. Did you stop to pay your note? Did you stop? I could never do that. Because the literally said she drive with her clothes and her machete and she got take. So I what you do? I wish for you take off. I hope you not take off the whole of your clothes. I want to really know what action bells I got take. Because then me have to go start go further. Me have to go start people like me and people and Lorraine and Baba and Tina Chinia. To know what because this not normal on the job. On the job. No, listen to me. Nobody, if the lady is going to the church with a knife to Anna, then it shows say Anna really. Because why would the lady go when she knows say she a calling? Another story no it not sound right, man. No sound right. But you accuse the lady wrongfully the same way you accuse me somebody call and the same way you accuse Lady V, man. And Lady V, I said Lady V. Lady V wasn't driving up for no Alicia. All Lady V went was put her thing and Lady V called Alicia. Alicia did not answer. Knowing that she and Alicia live, and which is the right thing to do, to know that the two owner Jamaican and live right there. Then Alicia called back Lady V, and Anna went and said, and the child said she didn't even tell Anna. The child said she told the mother, which is normal because if you're in that country and something happened, you're going to make your mother will be mother. Because I don't care who wants them are adult and them are 20 and when something happen and worse when time has something figure defend and me them a call. Some understand that Anna, if by any chance you slap the woman child, you're out of order. You're out of order. Very much. You're out of order and you're lucky you alive today for tell the tales. Because you accuse the woman wrongfully. Better you take your time. That lady is I've never the first time now she gonna call over. For call to give and to talk about, you know. Because it seems like Anna, based on what me get to understand, it seems my understanding of what is coming from, because we are here, Anna, we are here, but me know Anna, me don't know the lady. It seems like they have the problem already, and the lady had called Panty to verify if she had ever called Panty before. That lady no, she don't call. That lady don't call and give no information. Donors call, the recipient family them call, well wishers call, haters we call, and who else when I said donor recipient, them we call, and then most of all, from the day you did the live and said Tony family them fi come suck out your body hole, you have a few of them where them no like you. Me I tell you the truth. And that's all me have to say. Them no like you. And the people them who used to traffic, who used to go with you, them call. Let me tell you something. Me tell you already, say me experience Anna. When Anna come out and say, Lady V, listen to me, listen to me. You see, when Anna say, Lady V and her man, I drive down Antigua for wait me and there, you know which part the man there. Oh, me not go say which country the man did. Because when Lady V and a liar come, me not supposed to me not go to prison. Me can't climb step with me a sore foot. Me can't bother with the whole heap and a 21 step courthouse at Kerosene. The man have credential and can come and consume me with the Dutch law. So me don't not call him name. When if anything, me put it on 10 years father and say because Anna did say I kill this man, so me we know if we go around them. But when time Anna said Lady V and her careless man I drive down Antigua and I look for Alicia. The man wasn't even an Antigua style. The man went overseas and the man catch a flu. The man I spent like between I don't remember because when I time me and I attack and I sitting, the man catch a flu could hardly talk. So when Anna says so the man not even in the pan. Why you think Lady V get up trang so and go to the police? Why you think Lady V, because Lady V had gone to the police and get the recording and at least you call? Why you think? That's when it reach the police and everything prove. You never hear the police it say Anna did come out to apologize and Anna put up sitting about apologize to who? I know the first Anna do this thing. Me I believe the lady story. Even though she go up on nasty thinking panty platform. The lady story sound more concrete because why would the lady attack Anna into a church with a knife? Why? Why would the woman that not sound right? Anna accused me when Alicia and the thing went Ashanti and so Anna accused me and said me go call Lady V. I mean never call Lady V. That's why I was so ignorant for the night. Sometimes who you think look for me with cousin. Look at me with Sonia, I not call her no damn cousin. Sonia Miller. Who could have, if me never decide to go listen, who could have believe? Hey, when me hear the voice the night, I realize say a Sonia Miller, somebody when me nearly faint. If somebody did come tell me say a she, me then I believe them. Me say I just listen. Me no listen. I take the phone and I say me listen to what I look up naughty woman here say. But I listen for what me hear, you know. I realize the voice. Me never did I try find. I never did I try find her. Me never did I try find cause I listen for hear what cause say about me pick me. What Sonia say about me pick me. Sonia Glendina need a rent. Glendina need a rent. Go get a barmaid. A big ass stink like you are one of them. You come here. Can me just come to give my 2 cents. And a business enough for me. Me just have to give me 2 cents on it. I'm done. I'm gone. You know keep the peace lady because to say Anna, you have the little girl there go. That's not a good example for your job. Lady, all the faith. Continue, move on, I want to go on a separate ways at the end of the day. Remember, on our cousin, blood thicker than water. I not go drag Anna, but me I go talk the truth. Lady, blood thicker than water, and I yell human picnic. Lady, if you be a father, I be tell you the truth. Me don't know who are them picnic the father, because sometimes man and sitting and me have baby father too. And we know how it go. Do me I beg you, if in case the man is somebody where him head not so good, may I go beg you, me know how we hard. Talk to him. If you're not even not talk to him, because we know sometimes we are the baby father, then you know sometimes we wonder if for them did we used to lie down with. Talk to him, me love, because it's not nice. You know, the situation, what do you may say? Talk to him, beg him fitting the because they say that same little girl with Anna box, she can't come be the nurse Anna later, you hear? Seriously, talk to him. I wanna done it. Done it. You call, you do, you say your side of the story. Coward man, nobody would them I go say she lick you and she this and she that. If you get any injury, God will go with her because God see and God knows say you're innocent. God will deal with Anna. And God will deal with her. You don't have to worry, but talk to your baby father if in case you know say as somebody will say and knock her down. Talk to her, me understand, but talk to your baby father because at the end of the day, he might go get trouble. Now, Anna in a church yesterday, one banger, and you know, so me post a part of the video, you can go over there, go listen. And me don't know if you will take a stroll over big jazz, big girl yard, I big the lady where Anna accused say, but another lady calling over there, the lady not calling. One of her cousin named Wendy accused say, and the lady I call Ashanti and I give Panty and I give information, and the lady say I don't believe that because the lady don't call over there and I don't know so much people call about Anna. I choose sometimes you know me not a person with love the whole heap of bangarang and something have to come out and then Anna na answer and it go look like a bullying. I mean I like bully people but Anna did talk things already. We never got about to the situation with because when Anna say Lady V man or common law husband to be Lady V and him that drive around and I look for her sister. The man wasn't even an Antigua style. The man wasn't even an Antigua style, and the only place Lady V boy drive go that morning was to carry her son to school and go look. Where's something name? Cause I'm furnished because was there. Lady V was in her house. Carry her son to school because at that time they had was to do some things in the office. Carry her son to school and go look for furniture polish and go right back her yard. So she wasn't even driving down and she carried the little boy to school. I remember she even yelled up the French teacher, go and get her something and go back and meet and Lady V upon the phone. She wasn't even on the street to say she had drive with one man and don't know, and then Alicia and Lady V had talk about it over the phone. What make you think Lady V gas station trang so she maybe not talk to the man wasn't on the island, but because she knows say nothing no go so. And I get to understand, so the girl say Anna slapped her child. She didn't attack Anna with no knife. Anna look like the person who do because Anna had come with that story. So me have experience with Anna. Because when Anna say me go call Lady V and tell Lady V say she dey her live a cuss her, that's not true. I was surprised when I hear Anna say the sore foot one day I forget ignorant and come out and disappoint the mama. And then when I say me I get to understand say Anna mother drop out a wheelchair. Then a couple years ago Anna used 1.5 million and fix him mother hip. And the mother gone, you see it? When me did I say all along it when the girl come confirm it, and the mother in a Miss Mabel house. And the mother in a Miss Mabel house. So it come love. Charity. Miss Mabel washing machine was sold, but anyway, then there's something that gone and we all have to give God account for our sin. Let me go past for me bungle, you know. Let me go past for me bungle.